Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post a conversation in multiple channels on Microsoft Teams using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application, Microsoft Teams. So we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Teams. Let's just wait for that to load. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Teams, go to a channel. We are in General. Now let's go to New Conversation. Let's type something in. Let's just keep it simple, Computer Science Videos, and now to post this to multiple channels, go to the top of the conversation where it says post in multiple channels. If we had 5 channels, we could click on this and then select channel and then tick all the available channels that we have within the team. So we can now click on social media, we can update. And now this will be posted to general and social media. So we can now click on send, Computer Science Videos. Let's go to social media and there we see Computer Science Videos. And this shows me that this was posted in general and social media. So that's how you save time, post or start a conversation across multiple channels within your team. And so we can now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now. Or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.